Global oil prices surge following some of the world's largest oil exporters, the OPEC Plus alliance, announcing a surprise cut in output. Hye-ryeon reports.
Members of the OPEC Plus, made up of major oil producers and Russia, have announced surprise cuts of around 1.16 million barrels per day. Saudi Arabia's state media said Sunday that the country will be cutting its oil output by 500,000 barrels per day starting next month until the end of this year. The Saudi Energy Ministry described the move as a precautionary measure aimed at supporting the stability of the oil market. It also explained this is in addition to a reduction announced by the OPEC Plus nations last October, when they agreed to an output cut of 2 million barrels per day, which angered the Biden administration. To deal with soaring oil prices following the war in Ukraine, the U.S. has been arguing that the world needs lower oil prices to support economic growth and prevent Russian President Vladimir Putin from earning more revenue to fund the war. The impact of the announcement was quickly felt across the global oil market. West Texas Intermediate, one of the main global oil benchmarks, surged by 8% to around $81 per barrel, which Bloomberg reported as the greatest intraday move in more than a year. Goldman Sachs also raised its Brent oil price forecast for the year by $5 from its earlier prediction, from $90 a barrel by December this year to $95. Before the announcement, oil prices in the first quarter of the year saw their biggest plunge since 2020 as a result of weakened demand over the pandemic and looming threats of recession. However, many watchers expect a strong revival in demand for oil despite the price hike amid the reopening of China's borders. Hye-ryeon, Arirang News.